In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly navigate your previous transactions on eBay by accessing your purchase history. This can be particularly handy whether you're tracking an order, checking spending habits, or simply reminiscing about past purchases. Let's dive right in. First, you want to open up your preferred web browser and make your way to the eBay homepage. You can do this by typing ebay.com into the address bar and hitting enter. It's a straightforward step, yet crucial as this is your starting point for accessing all features available to eBay users, including your purchase history. Once you've arrived at the eBay homepage, take a moment to find the My eBay link. You'll find this conveniently located at the upper right-hand corner of your screen. It's prominently displayed, making it easy to locate, but if you encounter any trouble, remember that it's nestled beside the shopping cart and notifications icons. This section is essentially your personal dashboard where all your eBay activities can be accessed. Now that you've clicked on My eBay, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Purchase History. This is your go-to option for reviewing all the items you've bought on eBay. Clicking here will instantly transport you to a comprehensive list of your purchases. In your purchase history, items are typically organized by date with the most recent transactions at the top of the list. This layout provides a clear and concise overview, making it easy to navigate through months' worth of buying activity. Take advantage of this feature to monitor your recent acquisitions, check order statuses, or even follow up on past purchases if any issues arise. As we wrap up, it's worth noting that exploring your purchase history can be done seamlessly on both desktop and mobile versions of eBay, offering flexibility and convenience regardless of your device preference. By regularly checking this section, you can keep tabs on your buying behavior, which can be enlightening when managing your budget or tracking down any necessary receipts or technical support inquiries. Remember, having quick access to your purchase records can simplify your online shopping experience. You'll always be up to date with your orders, ensuring you're never left in the dark about what's headed your way or what you've spent in the past. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, providing you with a step-by-step guide on how to effortlessly view your purchase history on eBay. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.